Okay, today I'm talking about how to get rid of our glamours. This is a very important subject. First, I want to define what is glamour, then why we must get rid of it, then how we can get rid of it. I'm going to talk about these things. First of all, glamour is an astral form of our desires. If you desire something, you build an astral form, and that astral form floats in your aura. And it is attracted to the centers from where it is originated. We have three main centers that produce glamours. One is base of the spine, another one is sacral center, another one is solar plexus. These three centers produce glamours when we desire things and imagine the form of our desires. I'm making it so easy for you so that you understand. Now, when they are attracted to certain centers, they are controlled by it, they are nourished by it. Also, they control the centers. They react upon each other, you see. Now, why we must get rid of these glamours? The first reason is that they disturb the harmony of our aura. And also they create lots of conflict there. Because you desire something good, then you desire something bad. Bad and good start conflicting. And when they are in your aura, they sap your energy, psychic energy, continuously sap it. They sap the energy and give it to the center. Center receives that energy and channels to the organ corresponding to the center. So you have problem now. You have the glamour in your aura. You see that psychic energy is absorbed by the glamour. And because the glamour is becoming stronger and stronger, it affects to your center, and from the center to your organ. So you see what you are seeing? You are losing your control upon yourself because of your glamours. And that's what happens. Instead of you controlling your life, your mouth, your thinking, your emotions, your actions, glamours control it. And almost you don't have any power upon them. It creates lots of disturbances in your relationship with people. Because they want to talk to you, your glamour talks to you. Do you understand what I'm saying? They want to relate to you, but they find that it is your glamour talking. And sometimes it's so impossible to reach that man, that woman, exactly to contact him. Immediately you made an effort to contact him, glamours jump and say, yes, what do you want? You say, I want to see the boss. Oh, I'm the boss, says. Everybody comes and says, I'm the boss. But tragedy is that we cannot see it. But if you observe, you will see very clearly what's happening. Now, how do you think that I know it? Because I went through hell and heaven. Phew. Within myself. Fortunately, I can detect them, I see them. I catch their tails. Then I go through suffering and suffering and suffering because I see what's happening. So that's how I am learning. How you are going to learn? Exactly observing your behaviors.